everybody, it's Mike with Jealous Lawn Care here, and today I'm going to show you how to do circular stripes. Alright, so first step is I'm going to do a trim pass all the way around and then start the circles. And you'll see that the circles, you're going to see a little difference in the back. The back's going to be basically a straight line, so you can do your semicircles, your rest of your circle here. Alright, so that's going to be the main secret. You can definitely see the stripes going now. Here's a quick walkthrough now of my lawn after I did the circular stripes. So you can see that, I didn't do a double wide. This is the single look, but looks pretty nice. And I didn't do all the edges, like, the edge over here, underneath the tree yet. But this is basically what it's going to look like the rest of the way. And what I'm going to do, since I already ran out to the end of my lawn here, is I'm just going to keep going in the same direction. Obviously, I've already hit the end of the width here and the end of my width towards my neighbor there. Therefore, what I'm going to do is, just run up until I hit the neighbor's lawn or until I hit the sidewalk. So obviously you can't complete the circle. And another way you could do this is I could have started the circle in the middle. See, I started back here, so it's they're kind of like semicircles, half circles. So what I could have done is basically mow a line from here to about the middle of my lawn, and I'd start here and then start doing the circles, and then each circle gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Then it's full circles also. So this is the half circle, semicircle look, but essentially it's the same look. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy this. Alright, so here's a final walkthrough. I like to show you guys the front and the back, all different angles from the striping. So you could tell that, you know, some angles look better than others. From a circle, you're going to be able to see it from probably every single angle. Except where the sun is here, we're looking into the sun. There it is. So because we're looking into the sun, we're not going to see the stripes. They're going to be very, very dull, if anything. So definitely make sure that the sun is in the right direction. And as of right now, when the sun is behind us, that is definitely our best viewpoint. But later on, when the sun is over there, where it always is when I'm trying to make my neighbors jealous, right when they come home from work, they're going to be driving along there in the afternoon after work, and guess what? They're going to see all these stripes mainly coming in this direction.